Welcome to Career Tech Learning, a digital learning platform for technical information. An introduction to CAM and follower. Today we will see an introduction to CAM follower. A CAM is a rotating element which is mounted on the camshaft, whereas a follower is a reciprocating element. Now let us see what is meant by a CAM. Yes, obviously, a cam is a rotating element that gives oscillating or reciprocating motion to the follower, which is the another element of this machine by direct contact. Now here is a cam which is mounted on the camshaft and this is a follower. Now if you observe that cam क्या हो रहा है, rotate हो रहा है और जैसे ही cam rotate होता है, because of the shape of cam, it gives reciprocating motion to this follower. So this is a follower having reciprocating motion. Now the follower maintains contact with the cam through the force of gravity. ये follower जो होता है वो cam के साथ contact में रहता है. It is because of the force of gravity or in some cases by means of a spring. Now what are the types of cams? Cams are classified as disc or plate cam. Now this is a disc or plate cam. ये क्या है? Disc or plate cam which is having not regular contour. मतलब इसका जो प्रोफाइल है वो रेगुलर नहीं है. आप देखते होंगे तो दिस साइड इट इज हैविंग स्मॉल रेडियस, यहाँ पे अगर देखते हो तो इट इज हैविंग लार्ज रेडियस और बिकॉज ऑफ दिस शेप ये क्या कर सकता है? इट कैन गिव्स रेसिप्रोकेटिंग मोशन टू द फॉलोअर. Now let us see the another type of cam, cylindrical cam. Now this is a cylindrical cam. The cylindrical cam has a groove in a cylindrical surface and the follower runs on the cylindrical surface parallel to the axis of cylinder. So this is having a groove on its cylindrical surface and the follower runs on the cylindrical surface parallel to the axis of the cylinder. Third type of cam is a wedge cam. The wedge cam has an angled flat regular contour to impart a specific motion to the follower. Contour का मतलब होता है profile. A flat regular profile which impart a specific motion either reciprocating or either oscillatory to the follower. So this is a follower, this is a wedge cam. हम लोग अभी देखेंगे कि हाउ द फॉलोअर इज क्लासिफाइड. द फॉलोअर इज क्लासिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू 3 क्राइटेरिया, जिसमें से फर्स्ट वन है अकॉर्डिंग टू सरफेस इन कॉन्टैक्ट. मतलब कैम और फॉलोअर का दोनों का जो सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट है, जो कॉन्टैक्ट है, उस पर से हम लोग फॉलोअर को क्लासिफाई कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज नाइफ एज फॉलोअर, then roller follower, flat follower and spherical follower. So second classification is according to the type of follower motion. First one आता है translatory motion type follower, दूसरा आता है oscillatory motion type follower. And third classification है according to the line of contact or according to the line of follower motion. So one is a radial follower, second one is the offset follower. अभी हम लोग इसे डिटेल में थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे कि क्लासिफिकेशन कैसे किया जाता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सरफेस इन कॉन्टैक्ट हमने देखा है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू सरफेस इन कॉन्टैक्ट फॉलोअर क्लासिफाई होता है नाइफ एज फॉलोअर. मतलब क्या होता है? नाउ हियर इज अ कैम एंड दिस इज अ फॉलोअर. The surface of contact of follower, that is this end of follower, is of sharp knife edge shape. That's why it is called as a knife edge follower. मतलब ये follower का end जो है, जो cam के साथ contact कर रहा है, that is a knife shape. Hence it is called as a knife edge follower. Second type of follower is a roller follower. When the contacting end of the follower is a roller, it is called a roller follower. देखो, this is a roller follower. इसका जो contacting end है, that is a roller. जो roller contact कर रहा है cam के साथ. So that's why it is called as a roller follower. roller follower का एक benefit ये भी होता है कि because of this contact, अगर ये continuous use होता है तो ये wear and tear नहीं होता है. The roller cannot wear and tear because of continuous operation. Whereas in knife edge follower हम लोग अगर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो ये जो knife edge है, because of the friction between cam and follower, ये क्या होता है, knife edge blunt हो सकता है. It can be wear out. So that's why in most of the cases roller follower is preferred over the knife edge follower. The next type of follower is a flat face follower. Yes, obviously, the contact surface, contacting end of the follower is of flat shape. It is a flat face, right? Hence, it is called as a flat face follower. Now, a spherical follower. When the contacting end of the follower, is of spherical shape, अगर इसका shape spherical होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं spherical face follower. Mostly automobile engines में spherical face follower generally use किया जाता है. Next classification is according to the type of follower motion. Okay, so these are classified as reciprocating follower and oscillating follower. Reciprocating follower मतलब क्या कि follower while during the operation follower इस guide के अंदर like this, मतलब इसके जैसा reciprocate हो रहा है. It is having a reciprocatory motion inside the guide. Hence it is called as reciprocating follower. Whereas oscillating follower, if you observe that when a uniform rotary motion of the cam is converted into predetermined oscillatory motion of the follower, then the follower is called as oscillatory motion follower. मतलब when the cam rotates, the follower oscillates at this point. Hence it is called as oscillating follower. Now, according to the line of follower motion, the follower are classified as radial follower and offset follower. Radial follower is one when the motion of follower is along an axis passing through the center of cam. Now, this is the axis of follower and this is the axis of cam. The motion of follower is along this axis which is passing through the center of cam. Means the axis of follower and the axis of cam are same. Whereas in offset follower, the motion of follower is along an axis away from the axis of cam center. यहाँ पे follower का axis ये है जो offset है cam center के axis से. That's why it is called as a offset follower. Let us see various terminologies in the cam profile. So the first one is a base circle. Now if you observe that, अगर आप देखते होगे, this is a cam profile. ये क्या है? Cam profile है. This is a cam profile. Now this first point is called as a base circle. So base circle is a smallest circle which can be drawn to the cam profile, a smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile. Now the second point is a trace point. So it is the reference point. This is the trace point, right? So trace point क्या होता है? Trace point is a reference point on the follower and it is used to generate the pitch curve. Now let us see the third point, that is called as a pressure angle. So pressure angle is the angle between the motion of follower the the normal to the pitch curve को जो normal जाता है, that is the normal to the pitch curve, मोशन फॉलोअर मोशन और नॉर्मल टू द पिच कर्व दोनों के बीच में का एंगल क्या होता है? इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रेशर एंगल. So this is the point where pressure angle is maximum. This is the point on the pitch curve where the pressure angle is maximum, and that point is called as pitch point. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Pitch point. And the pitch curve क्या होता है? Pitch curve. This is the pitch curve. So pitch curve is generated by a trace point. Pitch curve is generated by a trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. So this is the pitch curve traced by the trace point, generated by the trace point. This is the pitch curve generated by the trace point. Now what is mean by a pitch circle? Pitch circle क्या होता है अभी? So pitch circle is the circle drawn from center of cam and radius is equal to the distance between center of cam and the pitch point. इतना रेडियस लेके ये जो सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है कैम के सेंटर से, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पिच सर्कल. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पिच सर्कल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज प्राइम सर्कल. प्राइम सर्कल क्या होता है? सो प्राइम सर्कल, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय अ प्राइम सर्कल. सो दिस इज अ प्राइम सर्कल. यहाँ पे देखो प्राइम सर्कल मतलब सेंटर ऑफ कैम एंड द ट्रेस पॉइंट, राइट. ये डिस्टेंस लेके जो हम लोग सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे विच इज टेंजेंट टू द पिच कर्व. ये सर्कल क्या रहेगा? टेंजेंट टू द पिच कर्व. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्राइम सर्कल. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम सर्कल. एंड द लास्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज लिफ्ट और स्ट्रोक. दैट इज द फॉलोअर लिफ्ट और स्ट्रोक. जैसे ही कैम रोटेट होता है, आपको पता है कि द फॉलोअर विल मूव लाइक दिस, इट विल रेसिप्रोकेट इनसाइड द गाइड. तो फॉलोअर जो रेसिप्रोकेट होता है, ओके, सो इट इज द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय द फॉलोअर फ्रॉम इट्स लोवेस्ट पोजीशन टू द टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन. मतलब फॉलोअर का समझो ये लोवेस्ट पोजीशन है और रोटेट होता है कैम, तो फॉलोअर रेसिप्रोकेट होके ऊपर चला जाता है, ये उसका हाईएस्ट पोजीशन है, टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन. ये दोनों में का डिफरेंस मतलब दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लिफ्ट और स्ट्रोक ऑफ द फॉलोअर. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? लिफ्ट और स्ट्रोक ऑफ द फॉलोअर. नाउ for your reference, terminologies are given here which we have studied in the previous slide. That is base circle, what is trace point, what is pressure angle, what is pitch curve, what is prime circle, what is pitch point, what is pitch circle, and what is lift or stroke of the follower. हम लोग अभी आगे जाएंगे. Motion of the follower. So there are basically 4 type of motion of the follower. So this is first one, uniform velocity motion. That is the curve is simply a slope curve or a straight line curve. यहाँ पे follower rise होता है with uniform speed, ये dwell होता है, उसके बाद में return आता है. It is because of uniform speed. So it is, that's why it is called as a uniform velocity motion of the follower. Second one is a simple harmonic motion. Now in simple harmonic motion, the follower will move like this during the rise. Rise होते समय follower ये motion follow करता है. It is the curved motion, that is called as a simple harmonic motion. यहाँ से वो dwell रहेगा, मतलब जब dwell रहेगा the follower is at rest. It will not going up or not going return, right? So this is a simple harmonic motion. And the third type of motion is uniform acceleration and retardation. So this is a uniform acceleration and retardation motion of the follower. So this is uniform acceleration and uniform retardation motion of the follower. And last one is cycloidal motion. So this is a cycloidal motion of the follower. This is a cycloidal motion of the follower. Generally cycloidal मोशन ऑफ द फॉलोअर कहाँ पे प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, जहां पे कैम फास्ट रोटेशन, वेरी हाई स्पीड कैम रोटेशन हो तो वहां पे साइक्लॉइडल मोशन यूज करते हैं. अगर स्लो एंड मॉडरेट स्पीड रोटेशन हो कैम का तो हम लोग सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन जनरली यूज करते हैं. So these are the different type of follower motions. So इसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है, you have to attempt a test. Now the test is provided in description box. एक सिंपल ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट यहाँ पे मैंने प्रोवाइड किया है. अगर आप लोग वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो और भी रिलेटेड टू मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, so students don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.